IG, Assistant Inspector General. After honor in our midst today. And you will hear Poyo. Otherwise, if it's not our person, you get to win in the Nigeria, can do very far. I was saying something there. Now a very good opportunity which really comes. Come well today, we're not in the midst of your people. And I will also testify before your people. Now since I was born, I woke up today, I've not had this opportunity outside Anambra State. No, now Igbo's palace with such people like you. So that you will understand that now I appreciate him this opportunity. Igbo, thank you so much. And therefore, I'm not if it is going to be out of place. And when I say what I want to say, please, you have to accept and understand even Chukwuka. I'm Naja Nudipe, open out of anger and out of Magolo. You don't want to carry them. You born off. Mommy born off. All I can talk smell, I'm it's all like even out here. Really, all because of people. Oh no, not Bruno. So, go to my misunderstanding of now. Yes. I'm going to do deep. And therefore, for that reason, actually, I'm going to go 500,000 West in the parliament.
His Excellency.
Boza!
3 years for your enemy.
In the name of Jesus, you will win this election. Yes. Nobody will win you again. In the name of Jesus, you will win this election. Therefore, you will win the election. In the name of Jesus,